Oh, why'd that zoom out? Alright, back after I pass. So pulled the spark plug up, quit running just before the finish line, and it picked up just a little bit. I lost about 500 and picked up a couple hundred before the end. So I figured the piston's got a big hole, or not a big hole, but I figured the top of the ring land's probably gone. But the spark plug looks pretty damn nice, and it's no aluminum on it. Kind of shocking, really. It's got a lot of oil down the side of the bike. Not this side. This side. Had that blue stuff all over the side of the bike here, including all over my leg. So my new leathers are getting broken in already. So we're charging the battery up right now. So I'm going to go ahead and yank that head off, pull the cylinder, see what it looks like in there. I'm pretty sure there's something wrong with it. I don't know how much nitro I was using, but I didn't like what it was doing. So this is the workshop right here, so we're going to rearrange this a little bit and get this thing apart. So we'll be back in a little while and see what it looks like. Alright, I got this motor apart. There's a light. There's one. Still can't see any of the bore. Now you can see the bore. There's a light. So I don't see any reason why the rings are blowing by. They're just not sealing. I thought the piston was going to be melted. It wasn't. And it looks the same as I put it in. The only difference is there's oil up on the rings up here. Look at that. This should be dry. It's got these big droplets here too, which is kind of weird. So I don't really see anything wrong with the piston. And the rings are still moving. Piston looks the same. No hole in it. Shocked. Thought for sure there's a hole in it. Or not a hole in it, but I thought the dome would be melted. I figured the upper ring land would be toasted and top ring would be locked up. But no, there's nothing wrong with that. So I think I'm just going to put a set of rings in it, and slam her back together and make another shot. Piston looks like the same as I put it in. Nothing different. Except that a lot of blow-by. Of course, I was leaning on it pretty hard. But, not that hard. It was only turning 6,000, so about 63 when it slowed down. But that's low RPM for this motor. Should be another 800 to 1,000 there at least. All right. Well, I'm going to put some rings in it and put this piece of crap back together. And you can see how much I care about cleaning this. Yeah, it's out in the middle of a desert. You know, see that dust devil over there? They come over here too. Yeah. Probably coming this way. It'll be the first time I had a motor part and that thing went right through me. All right. Clean this thing up, put it back together. All right. It's getting dusty around here. Just cleared up a little bit. All that dust down there just went through here. Anyway, I've been over filing these rings up. So, stealing these rings from George. Evidently, this cylinder's 10 over, not 20. Those are 20 over rings and they don't fit. So I had to file them down with some files I borrowed around here. So now I got some gap in here now. We'll go ahead and clean this all up and slam it back together. Try to keep some of this dust out. Yeah, it seems to be blowing through right now. Looks clear right here, but where'd all that come from? Just loose stuff right here. Fun, fun, fun in the old desert. Some dust blowing through. Wind's coming up. Great time to put a motor together. Yeah, crap blowing through here. Nice. Oh well, maybe wait for a little bit.